here I got the Maserati Granturismo. I took it outside, gave it a quick wash. Also washed the Corvette. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the cabin air filter, also known as the pollen filter. I've never checked it. Now the car has been serviced, so I'm sure it's probably okay. But a lot of vehicles don't have it. Like on my F-150, it doesn't have a cabin air filter, and some vehicles have it by the engine bay, by the firewall, like my Corvette over there. That's where it's located. This one's actually a lot easier. It's under the glove box, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it. I got my pliers already. It's got some clips, which I kind of just used the sharp end just to kind of grip to them so I could get them down. Now I'm not gonna squish because I don't want to cut them, but just enough to give me, or I could have also used a flathead screwdriver, so either one would be okay. So I got my flashlight. So this is where one of the clips was. So as you can see, that's where one of the clips was. And here's another one. And I just got one left over here. Now they actually make special tools just to grab these clips so you don't damage them. So just pull this out of here. And there's the axis right there. So definitely a lot easier than the Corvette. So just push that forward, and then the cabin air filter slides out. So this filter's actually in good shape. Doesn't have, I mean, it's got just a little bit of dirt, but that's nothing. I have seen some filters really dirty with leaves, dead bugs, mold, from the time that I used to work on cars. So this is actually pretty good, so I'm gonna put it back in. So I got the clip back on there. So now all I gotta do is install this this cover here. And then put all my clips back on. So that's it. And honestly, this is about one of the easiest filters that I've ever done, because in a lot of vehicles you gotta, in some cases you gotta remove the glove box and they're behind there. Some have screws, so this is actually definitely very easy. Now I wish the air filter was just as easy. There we go. See, the air filter's a little bit more difficult. For one, I'd have to remove all the screws, remove all this plastic trim. So the air filter's right in here. Maybe I might be able to move it. This might be able to flex just enough for me to get the air filter out. If not, I would probably have to cut this clamp. And I would like to go back with another clamp like that. I wouldn't want to use a screw clamp, but I'll have to read up on this, and I might check it another time.